Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we are going to learn about lookup functions, so let's get started. First let us know what is lookup functions in Excel mean. Lookup function in Excel mean referencing a cell to match values in another row or column against the cell and thereby retrieving the corresponding results from the respective rows and columns. Some uses of lookup functions are: you can find the exact or appropriate match by using the lookup function. Users can search for data both vertically, referring to the columns, and horizontally, that is row. It is simpler to use and does not require selecting the entire table. There are two forms of lookup function in Excel, that is vector form and array form. The vector form looks for a value in a specified column or row, and the syntax for that is lookup of lookup value, lookup vector, result vector. Here, lookup value is a value to be searched for. Lookup vector is a range of cells in a single row or column that is used as the search space for the lookup function. And the result vector is an optional argument that specifies a range of cells to result a value from. Let's consider this simple data which has frequency and color column, and the data is frequency value for respective color. Now let's perform the function. To do that, let's type is equals to lookup of 5.77 comma. This is the lookup value. A2 is to A6. This is a lookup vector, and then B2 is to B6. This is your result vector. And now enter. It displays green as result. As you can see here, the green color has frequency 5.77. Next we have array form. This form looks for the value in the first row or column of an array, and the syntax for that is lookup of lookup value, array. Here again lookup value is a value to be searched for, and array is a range of cells that contains text, numbers or logical values that you want to compare with the lookup value. This is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.